Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset on your Kobo Libra 2 using the settings. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen, and from here move to the settings. Now find device information, and from here you'll be able to factory reset it right here. Simply press on it and then confirm that you're gonna reset it now. But keep in mind that you'll lose all data that is not bound to your account. So now let's reset it now. And the device is already restarted and we can begin the setup. Choose the language you want to use, and in this example I'm going to use English. Here you'll be able to set it up with Wi-Fi network, or if you don't have it, you can press on it and then you'll need to connect your device with a laptop. So I'm gonna use device with the Wi-Fi option, and here we'll need to log into our Wi-Fi. And after entering password, we'll be able to join it. Here it should check for any updates available, so if it has any updates, they will download right now. So mine didn't have any, and now I can connect to any account I already have or create new one. So if you want to connect with any of this, you can of course, but you can press on more sign-in options in order to find more services. So now let's go back, and I'm gonna use Google One. So here I just logged in, and our device should be ready after that step. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.